So up first, Cynde, she was working with Rach, the other Rach, and they were trying to recreate a look of Kim Kardashian's. Check that out. Hey, well, let's see how she did. Team Skeleton, come on out.
You look amazing.
So that's not bad.
Really great.
Rach, how tough was this with her direction?
She was great. I, on the other hand, was not so great.
Did you really do all this work?
Yeah.
Legitimately?
Yeah, no, everything. Yeah.
It's really
she
good.
didn't even touch the pen.
No,
I was
good.
like, it was difficult. It was for sure a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be.
So, Cyn, tell us what you did to achieve this if somebody wanted to do this look.
So the trick is, since it's white and it's black, they're both so stark, you want to start with the white only. You want to trace. So I gave her a pencil that was white. She traced around the eyes. She traced the jawline, the nose, everywhere. Once that's traced out, then you just fill in with the white. Then,
so you literally draw with a white white eyeliner?
Eyeliner, like a crayon
white
pencil.
eyeliner.
A crayon pencil.
And give yourself a template.
Yes.
Gotcha.
It's the best way to do it. Then she colored in, and then she did the eyes and colored in with the eyes, and then used eyeliner just to trace in the lips, and then all the little, you know,
the little veins in the teeth.
Yes. And then she did her own
the cracks in the bone.
Ah!
But that's
She
so
did a great
Now
job.
that is upper level.
Yeah. We used the black glue.
That's a good tip. Heads up. Remember, the glue comes in black, not just white. So get the black glue.
Black glue, and it looked amazing. And another key is you want to make sure, just like when you're using your own makeup for every day, you want to set your makeup with either a spray or a nice translucent powder.
That's another good
and then
tip.
Underneath, you want to make sure you're using a primer to protect your face from the makeup and hold it in place.
Yep. So I'm so twitchy, though. All night long, I'd be like, I'm going to go home with just looking like cement.
She kept trying to touch.
Don't touch. That is the toughest part.